Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to chat with Meta AI on Facebook Messenger. So let's get into the video. So firstly, go to your App Store or Play Store and see if you have the latest version of the Messenger. Alright, so go to your App Store, search for Messenger and then see if you have the latest version. So like here, so I have an update on my messengers. So what you have to do, if you have an update, you need to update your messengers so that you have the latest version of the app. So get that done. So once you have updated your app, so now just open up your app and then here what you're going to do on this, click on this new message option here. So click on it and then here what you're going to do, you're going to search for Meta AI. So if your app supports or your location supports Meta AI, then you should be able to see the Meta AI option here. You can click on it and then that will enable the chat box, and then you can start chatting with Meta AI using Meta AI. So just remember that this function is recently been released and has been rolled out only at certain regions and locations. So if you don't have this yet, then that means that it hasn't been rolled out yet. So eventually it will be done. So that's pretty much this. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.